Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the Fluorescent Mid-Bipin Unshunted 16mm rapid start slide-in socket from BJB. These phenolic body sockets have a 5/8 inch mounting height and are compatible with U-bend lamps and can serve as replacements for old sockets or help you finish a new lighting project. These rapid start sockets have a Bipin G13 base and are suitable for fluorescent T8, T10, and T12 medium Bipin G13 base lamp types. These sockets are unshunted, are CUL certified, and have a max wattage of 660 watts and a voltage range of 120 to 277 volts. You can order these sockets from BJB and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.